Privacy and security. A big thing that goes along with those are passwords. People have passwords for any type of site, either on their mobile device or on their laptop. There's passwords for literally everything. And what people really forget to do is they make it either a nickname, their name, an address that they know, a phone number, a birthday, something that they know, but everyone else can find out as well. So important thing to do is to not do any of those, or make sure it's 8 or more characters long, or it includes a number, or it includes some kind of symbol that you can actually remember. And I mean, don't give it out to your friends that you think you trust at that moment because you don't know if you'll trust them in the long run. So make sure you try to tell your guardians that you actually know will stick there with you because that's something that they need to know. And also try to change your passwords every 6 months because you don't know who's watching you and who's gonna come up behind you and retake that password. So just make sure to keep your passwords private.